The best part about this sail was definitely the sunsets and the whales. The worst part was, for the first 2 days there wasn't much wind, so we did a lot of motoring. And for some reason, when we were using the Oceanvolts and turned on our backup generator to charge the batteries, the Oceanvolts quit and gave us a fault code. So we had to stop motoring just to charge our batteries, which meant bobbing around and losing ground. There were a couple places we found that we're able to anchor at and recharge our batteries so that we didn't keep losing ground. We anchored out at Punta Coyote and waited for the right time to cross the canal. It was a little choppy, but not bad compared to what it can be if you don't time it correctly. Nice shoes.
Thank you.
Okay, put our shoes together.